Hello everybody. We will continue our this seventh chapter. In last session, we covered our system menu, remote desktop. With the help of remote desktop, anybody will be connect any system from a distance, from any place. Screensaver, you know this very well. When we cannot work with our system, screensaver will be automatically come. Sound, startup application, Ubuntu one. This is canonical. This is Canonical Cloud Storage Solution. It allows you to purchase music and store your files on server computers. Underline this line. This is very important line. Then Windows. Let's you set some basic option regarding the behavior of application Windows. In particular, you may choose what action should be taken when double click the bar of the window. When we double click on the bar, it will be maximize and minimize. See, like this way. Administration menu. The administration submenu shows in figure 7.6 provides various tools for the control and management of the system. This administration menu control our system, management control all our system and manage the all its points. So important tools include this utility, a graphical software that displays disk and disk partitions and allows the user to create a delete, edit, format disk partition, mount, unmount. Now you are familiar with this both word. What is mount and what is unmount? Mount means attach a pen drive. Unmount, remove the pen drive. Disk partition, C, D, E drives. You can create, edit. We can edit the partition. We want to create a 3 partition. We want to create a 2 partition. We want only C and D drive. That all things are done only with the help of administration menu. So language support allows us to include support for various language, including Indian language, printing, software sources, repositories on the internet from which to install software. Synaptic Package Manager to install and uninstall software. If you will want to add or install or uninstall any software, there is a one Synaptic Package Manager. Startup Disk Creator to create a bootable flash disk pen drive, time and date, how to set a date and time. These all menus explain here in details. See help and support. About Genome, we already covered this session last time. The application launcher, if you run some application frequently, you may find it tedious to navigate and hierarchical menu structure to reach and start the application every time. The part of the top panel between the menu and the notification area can be used to house application launcher for application frequently used by you. These launchers are represented by small icons in panel. 2 launchers are already there by default, one for Mozilla Firefox web browser and another for Ubuntu's built-in help tool. There are 2 ways to add application launchers to the top panel. So these all are by default how to create a launcher. See, when you select option custom application launcher, this window will be appear. All the steps are given here properly, how to go command for the use browser, browse button, select, how to go to select. All these steps are the name and comment fields are used to provide the name and description of the launcher with the letter being optional. Underline this line. This icon associated with the launcher can be changed by clicking on the icon. Choose an application. So, application places system. This is a one type of, in our general system we are using taskbar, but here they are given this system, this setting on application places system menu. Notification area. This area has a several indicator applets by default. The sound applet with a speaker icon, See, this is notification area. See this folder, Jignesh username. See notification area. List view of top panel with some application launcher. Which application launchers are available here? Shortcut of the programs are shown here. Right view of a top panel, right view, left view. Notification area. The next indicator is date and time. How to set date and time. The me menu. Me means user. Which user is available? Which user login? This menu shown in figure 7.12 is identified by currently logged in user's name. It is a quick access social networking and cloud access tool. The first few options let you specify your status bar, status that will be shown to the others on social networking platforms. Next two options allow you to set up access to your social networking accounts. Once these have been established, the indicator applet will notify you about new messages, chat requests, etc. Hello. We can also continue these all things with the help of Ubuntu. Synchronize.